Hey, this is the unboxing of the new Slate Immersion One headphones. Just got these in today. I'm pretty excited about them. Been a VSX user for quite a while, but wanted to try these out and see what the latest and greatest is in virtual headphone monitoring and mixing. It's a little difficult getting this out of the box. Those tabs on the side wanted to re-stick. Pretty cool little message there at the front for you. Happy mixing. Thank you, Stephen Slate and team. All right. It's a really cool case. They always do really well with cases for their VSX headphones. Didn't know if there would be some other candy in the box. So the first thing I noticed about this when I got it out was there was a really strong odor. It smelled almost like coal. That's what it reminded me of. Also wasn't ready for the finish on the shells. I thought that was pretty neat. I didn't at first. I thought they hadn't been buffed or something at the factory, but it is what's shown on the box. So that is an intentional finish. But so far so good as far as sturdiness of these headphones. They did feel pretty sturdy. Some of the older ones had a problem with them breaking. Hoping that's not going to be an issue. I was also really impressed with this cable. It looks really sturdy as well. I think these are going to be a good set of headphones even outside of the virtual monitoring and mixing capabilities. So it looks like another cool product from Slate. But that's what it looks like when you open the box.